Here's how to remove an admin from your Facebook page. Now you can see I have an iPhone and an Android. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to be able to remove an admin, and I'll also walk you through if you're on a computer as well. So the first thing we need to do is manage as that page. So you can see on iPhone and Android, the menu button at the bottom right, I can just tap on that. However, if you see three lines at the top left, tap on that. Or if you're on a computer, just tap on your profile button at the top right here. After we've done that, we can manage the page by tapping the drop-down arrow to the top right. And then tap on your page. In my case, Trevor's Treats here. After I've done that, again, we need to get to your settings. So at the bottom right, tap on your profile. Or again, if you see it at the top left, the menu button, or the top right, tap on those. Scroll down from here and tap on Settings and Privacy. And then tap on Settings at the top. After you've done that, scroll down until you get to Audience and Visibility, and then tap on Page Setup midway down. Next, the third option, tap on Page Access. And here you can see my brother and my wife Haley that I have as admins on this page. To remove somebody, all you need to do is tap the three dots next to them. And where mine says cancel invite, you'll just be able to see something that says remove or remove access. After you've done that, basically it will just remove them. Keep in mind, it might ask you for your Facebook password just to confirm that you own that account. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.